It's all BraiseyBaby. Hey there, Braisey Babes. Today I'm making a crunchy cucumber salad, and it is so delicious, but be mindful that it will take a bit of time. Take a little patience and make perfect cuts to make it extra crispy and soak up all the wonderful marinade. The marinade is spicy and fermented and perfect for any side dish that you may want. Make sure to add onions and toss everything well so that it will be the perfect accompaniment to any meal. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and remember,